Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover a lost streak on Snapchat. Maybe you didn't have internet or you lost your phone for a couple days and then you lost your streak on Snapchat. I'm going to show you how to recover it. So first, you're going to want to go into Snapchat. Now once it's loaded up, click on your little Bitmoji in the top left corner. Once you click that, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. After that, scroll down until you find Support and click I need help. Once you do that, let it load for a bit, and once it loads, scroll down and click the big orange button Contact Us. Once you click that, there should be an option to click I lost my Snap streak. Once you click that, scroll down and put in all your information right here. Once you put in all the information, you're going to want to put in a description about why you lost it. You can just put in some random excuse, like saying, I lost my internet or something like that. And once you do that, click send. And that's all. You have to wait a couple days to get a response from Snapchat, but you should have your streak back. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.